Want faster, healthier meals without the hassle? Meet the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. America's Test Kitchen recommends it as a top pick. Voted best large capacity air fryer by Reviewed USA Today. Perfect for busy families and home chefs. Imagine cooking 32 chicken wings in just 14 minutes, or 2 steaks in only 8 minutes, even 10 crispy bacon strips in 10 minutes. All with whisper quiet operation at only 55 DE. No more shouting over noisy appliances. Fits a full 12-inch pizza or 4 slices of toast. Ideal for big gatherings or quick solo meals. 360-degree heating inspired by professional pizza ovens. Dual heating elements, top and bottom, for even cooking. No need to shake or flip your food. Dual temperature sensors for precise results every time. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals every single bite. 30% faster than traditional air fryers. Save time, eat better, stress less. 15-in-1. Multifunctional cooking capabilities. Pizza, bacon, steak, wings, fries, frozen foods. Air fry, toast, grill, bake, griddle, roast, broil. Dehydrate and reheat all in one device. Replace multiple kitchen tools, save counter space. Sleek, modern digital control panel for easy use. Rapid air circulation for healthier, oil-free meals. PFAS-free, non-stick ceramic basket. Safe, non-toxic surface for peace of mind. Effortless food release, no sticking or scraping. Cleanup is a breeze with the self-cleaning mode. Industry-first self-cleaning removes oil and stains. Activate monthly via the app for spotless maintenance. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and greasy messes. Shallow basket design ensures even cooking results. Perfect for foods under 2.36 inches in height. High-powered bottom heating for ideal pizza crusts. Bake New York-style pizzas at home with ease. Great for homemade or frozen pizza lovers. Large capacity for high-volume cooking needs. Serve family dinners or entertain guests effortlessly. Modern design fits any kitchen aesthetic. Intuitive digital controls for simple operation. Perfect for health-conscious families and professionals. Efficient meal prep for busy lifestyles. Space-saving 15-in-1 appliance streamlines your kitchen. Convection oven, toaster, griddle, all in one. Upgrade your cooking experience instantly. Enjoy restaurant-quality meals at home. No more waiting for slow ovens or stovetops. Typhur Dome 2 makes every meal quick and easy. Crispy fries, juicy steaks, golden toast, effortlessly. Healthy, oil-free cooking with rapid air technology. Take control with precise temperature adjustments. Cook smarter, not harder. Self-cleaning keeps your fryer hygienic and fresh. No more lingering odors or stubborn stains. App integration for easy maintenance reminders. Designed for both home and commercial kitchens. Handles large batches for parties or meal prep. Transform your kitchen with one smart device. Enjoy more free time, less cleanup. Achieve consistent, delicious results every time. Upgrade to the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer today. Experience speed, versatility, and convenience. Make healthy eating simple and enjoyable. Perfect for everyone, from beginners to experienced chefs. Say yes to effortless cooking and easy cleaning. Ready for the ultimate kitchen upgrade? Get your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer now. Cook smarter, faster, and healthier every single day.